So here we have some lovely soft locks, but we're making them flat at the root. So we'll start off with some braids. Make sure you use some good gel, edge control, whatever it is you like. She doesn't want any small parts like that. So what we will do is we're going to open up the loop of the faux lock. Open it up, stretch it out a little bit. There, open that thing up. Bang. Just like that. Then we're going to use a little piece of that loop. Like so. You see that? I just took a little piece, not the whole loop. Just a little piece of the loop. Look, see that? Stick the crochet a little further down from the root. Or maybe right here. Stick it in like that, the crochet needle. Boom. Lock the hair in on that thing. Slide it in. Boop. Stick the bottom of that crochet, that faux lock through. Bam. Now we got it latched onto the braid. I'm using water wave 22 inch. I took one strand and I'm pretty much like fluffing it up, you know, separating it, whatever you guys call it, you know. But basically changing it from its original state to make it look fluffier. Sticking the crochet needle through the root of the hair now, the braid, and then boom, slide that bad boy through. And then we begin to twist. Now this tutorial is for people who already know what they're doing, but just wanting to get that flat method down. And this is great, so now you can be able to do smaller parts and add more, and it's not going to look all bunched up and like a big old helmet on their head. You know what I'm saying? That's the reason for the flat root. You don't want that huge knot at the root of your braids, just so you can see how you should have your soft locks connected to your braids. See that? Boom. And now we got a cute girl walking these streets looking cute. Okay.